Besties, I am so excited. We are going to be doing a Papers by Jessica Ann unboxing. I have been waiting for my budget planner forever, so let's get into it. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasurers, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I hope that you do see something here today that you like and it causes you to subscribe. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. Alright, I really just want to get into this, you guys, because I have been waiting for this budget planner for probably about a month, and it's at no fault of Jessica from Papers by Jessica Ann. She is the sweetest, let me tell you guys. So I ordered this book about a month ago, the planner, the budget planner, and it got sent to me. However, when it got to my mailbox, I never received it and it came up lost. I really didn't want to message her because I'm like, I just don't want to be that person, but I had to. And I was like, hey, just FYI, you know, did you get a package sent back to you? Because I never got it. She was the sweetest. She was like, oh, don't worry about it. We'll send you out another one. Totally professional. Customer service was superb. And she sent me out another one, and I now have my budget book. Now you might be saying to yourself, hey, but don't you already have a budget book? Use the Budget Mom. Yes, but I do not do my personal budget and my side hustle budget together. I use two different budget books for that. And so I have been using the Papers by Jessica Ann budget book for my side hustle, and I will continue to do so. And I'm really excited because I have been wanting a budget book just like the one that I'm about to unbox. And when I saw that she came out with it, I was just like, falling in love, okay? And I'm really excited because I do plan on making a lot more side hustle money, which means I'm gonna have the opportunity to use this book a lot more this year. I am a newly affiliate of Papers by Jessica Ann. So if you like this planner, if you want to support both myself and Jessica, then definitely use the link and then also purchase this book. Let's get into it. I had to open it. I just had to. I tried to put the paper back on it, but I just had to. So let me take this out. It comes in this beautiful paper. Another thing that I really love about this planner is that it is a faith-based budget planner. And so we're gonna get into all the contents, but it is faith-based, and I love everything about it. So it comes in the bubble wrap here, and she has her sticker papers. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute. So she has the papers, clean, organized, intentional. This is engraved in the back. I love the pink color. You guys know I'm a sucker for pink. And it's like flexible. It feels good. I don't know if flexible is a word, but it's not like stiff. It has pockets in here. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out as well. So I love the gold detail right here for the rings. It has a pocket here, and inside of the pocket, I don't know what material this is, but it feels amazing. This material. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets here, and you have a pin loop here that you're able to use. And oh, I just love it. I cannot wait to dive into the contents. This is everything. I believe this is an A6 size, or is it A5? I think it's A5. 5, 6. I don't know. I'll put it up here what it is. But this is the mini budget planner. And it has yearly planning pages. Well, first of all, let me just put everything in here. So you got the mini planner, the budget planner. And here it has yearly planning. So if there are any important dates that you need to put there, you can. And then here it says, plan a wonderful life then and live. So you have your quarter goals. Ooh, I love this. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. I really love these goals here. You have an area for mental check, money goals, health goals, mini bucket list, professional goals, relationship goals. I will be proud of my year if I, and then you write that there. And then we go over to the finance tab here. And here you have a vision board for yourself, which is amazing. And less of this, more of this, big prayers. The next page is tracking money events that happens. And it gives you like tips and information here. Annual sinking funds. I really like this page. And then bill payment tracker. This is good. I'll be able to complete this for my business bills, and then everything that I owe if I have any type of debt. So there's the debt pay down tracker, and then the debt pay down tracker. And I like this here where it has a little puzzles that you can use. So there's a couple of trackers for you. And then I really like this here. This is savings challenges. So you get a $1,000 savings challenge, a $750 savings challenge, and a 52-week savings challenge, 500 savings challenge, 100 envelope challenge, and then the savings tracker is here. So you definitely get a few of those. And then this is a pay-in tracker. This is good here. Then here you have your subscription trackers, your MRA HSA medical trackers, any gifts or planning my holiday gifts. This is good so that you can plan out if you have any birthdays or holiday spending. So you got your holiday spending trackers, investment trackers, annual trackers. You got trackers for days, net worth trackers. Love this. Password trackers. What else? Let's see. Household chores. Okay. Birthday trackers. Oh, this is going to be good right there. Notes page here. We get a few notes page, and then we get into January. So January, this is where I will be completing my budget with my money goals, my wellness goals, events for the month, any envelope stuffings that I'm going to be doing, focus for the month, if it's going to be my budget, my health, my business, career, family, mental health. And then I have a full calendar here for January. And then these are water trackers, so some more habit trackers. And then here you can plan out for the week. So I do like that. So it's not only just a budget binder, but it's also a planner for really like your whole life, finances, as well as like daily trackers. So then this is the monthly budget, and then this is the paycheck planner here. Any bills and all that good stuff, spending by category, expense trackers, payday things. You put everything in here, Jessica. Okay. I love this. Love, love, love it. Spending by category, expense tracker. And you guys are going to be seeing me use this all the time. All of the time, okay? Spending by category, payday things. And then I just really like how I can personalize it. Spending by category, and then more expense trackers here. And then February is pretty much going to have the same thing. Every single month is going to have the same thing. But I have a feeling there's going to be something in the back here. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So it's going to be the same thing for every month pretty much. I really do like this. I like that you can personalize it. As you guys know how I use my 9-to-5 budget planner, my personal budget planner. I personalize it, and I really love the opportunity to do that, and that's why I really love this system. So you know I'm going to be adding some charms. I might add some worksheets in here that I need, but I 100% love this system, and I definitely wanted a 3-ring system, and I got it. So if you are interested in this binder, in this budget planner binder, you can use my code. This is amazing. I love it. I-L-O-V-E. You did your thing, Jessica. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for this unboxing. I hope you have enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Do you believe? Straight from a party